So let's move on to the second 8 count. Let's kind of walk it through from the beginning and then move on. Move on, okay? So 5, 6, 7, 8. You're gonna step 1, 2, 3, and 4. I kind of stepped prematurely. 5, shrug, 6, 7, 8. From here, okay, I'm gonna back up so you can actually, so I'm not getting cut up, okay? Okay, this is 7, 8. You're gonna go 1, okay? You're gonna go 1, you're gonna step, drag this across your chest, shoulder to shoulder almost, more like shoulder to right boob, okay? 1, okay, this is the whole thing. 1, 2, okay? You're pointing out that way, you're on your tiptoe on your right, left is straight, okay? So 8, 1, 2, from here you're gonna flick your finger in, so it's like this, okay? 2, oh sorry, 1, 2, okay? You're gonna flick 3, and you're gonna switch knees. 3, okay? 3, cool. Boom. 2, 3. You're gonna go 4 because he says run away. So 3. This is 3. This is 3. 4. You're about to run. 4, and then you're gonna bring this back. 5. Okay, you're still trying to do a run kind of motion here. Try to keep it 9 to 5, but it doesn't really matter as long as you're like having a run motion. Doesn't have to be super clean. 5. You bring this back. 5. Okay. 5, you're gonna punch over 6, like this, 6, and you're gonna do a little hop, 6, and your foot kind of does this weird skate, kick, push kind of motion, okay? So you're gonna go 5, 6, but you go slower and you kind of punch down, like, yeah. I don't know what that means, but, okay, so it's gonna go, where was I? We'll take it back, and I know you guys are like, oh, what the fuck, slow down. Boom, boom, this is 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, hop, 6, just finishing it. We're gonna go 7, 8, okay, just 2 little pumps up, okay? So every time, little contract, boom, contract, up, okay? 7, 8, or if you wanna count that one motion, and 7 and 8, okay? And then you're kind of going like little up, then up as much as you can to extend it. Okay, so I'm really trying to explain as much as I can as we're doing it. Okay, 7, 8, yeah, cool. Just making sure that I'm correct because it's been a while. So let's go from 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Okay, notice I'm not popping yet. Okay, it's a step. 7, 8, 1, 2. Flick 3, 4, run 5, punch 6, 7, 8. And notice the slight level changes. Up, up. Cool. Let's try that from here. Let's go nice and slow again. Okay, if you got any questions or weird things that need clarified, just rewind it. Go half speed. Because there's probably things I'm explaining that, there's probably things I'm doing that are subconscious that I'm not catching as I'm explaining this, okay? So, power of the internet, yay! From here, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, punch 6, 7, 8. Cool, let's go medium. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool, a little faster, 5. The song's not that fast, but I'm just trying to get you go faster so you stop thinking about the moves and you just do it and rely on just your muscle memory through the repetition. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool, let's take it from the top. So slow, medium, then fast. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's go faster. Medium, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now let's go tempo. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's second A count. Let's do it with music.